Hey guys, it's Mark from Store More Sheds, and today I'm going to show you the delivery process of one of our storage buildings. This shed is an 8x12 and we call it our utility style. If you want a nice quality built shed but don't need something super fancy, then our utility design is an awesome option and is also very affordable. We have a few different ways of delivering the sheds. If we can back a truck and trailer right up to where you want your building, that makes it more simple and is ideal. But we also can use our shed mule to get it placed if access is limited. On today's delivery, we have to take the shed way into the customer's backyard and around a corner and over grass. So we are going to put the shed mule to work. The shed mule is an amazing piece of equipment. It's really nice. You can see just how far we have to take the shed, way into the backyard, over the grass. So if you don't want a truck and trailer on your lawn, that's not a problem. Makes delivering the shed very simple. Okay, everything's going real smooth. You can see we're gonna put it right in that spot there. Okay, we're almost done, but next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure the shed is nice and straight with the house.
Stayed nice and cool so the grass isn't all muddy.